Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about what is the Big Green Egg Plancha and why do you need it. So let's dive in. Let's talk all about its features and benefits. And then today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite uses as well. What is the Big Green Egg Plancha? Well, first and foremost, it's cast iron, right? So we're going to season it, treat it, clean it, store it, just like we would our favorite cast iron pan. Now, you can see the first side here, we've got that smooth side. So great for anything that you're going to be crusting, right? Maybe your breakfast item, some French toast, some grilled cheese, or maybe you're gonna do paninis or steaks and chops, vegetables, or some of those blackened foods or breakfast foods, right? Now, we'll go ahead and flip it over on this side. This is the rib side. So another great surface for you to do steaks, chops, anything where you maybe need a little bit of a channel for some grease to flow, or you're looking for those beautiful diamond marks as well. This is great. And the best part about it, it also fits on my expander system too. Now, for tips and advice, first and foremost, make sure you season this before your first use. So go through and give it a scrub. Make sure you follow the same process you would for your favorite cast iron. Secondly, always be careful when you're using this to keep your temperature from getting too hot. We are going to be cooking with the lid open on the Big Green Egg, but I'll tell you what, one of my things I do to keep it from getting too hot is I cook with the bottom closed so that I can control the airflow in. When you're done, go ahead and scrub it with a brush. Use a damp towel to remove any of that grime that you may have left on the surface. And then when you're done, re-oil it in between uses. Now, dishwasher safe? I say definitely not. Your dishwasher may not be able to handle the food particles coming off here, but keep it out of the dishwasher. Super fast and easy to clean, right? Okay, let's head out. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to make on my Big Green Egg Plancha. Now, for today's demonstration purposes, you can see that we are on my extra large Big Green Egg. I put my expander frame kit in, and I also offset my charcoal to one side. So we'll go ahead and start that charcoal. We'll bring it up to 200 degrees, and then we'll go ahead and add our plancha. Okay, we hit 200 degrees, so it is time to add the plancha in there. Now, we're gonna adjust the top and the bottom, bring it up to 400. Here's my tip. Once you reach 400, we're not quite there yet. We have to make sure that that plancha is hot enough, so we are gonna let it sit at 400 for about 10 minutes, make sure that we're ready to smash some burgers. So we are all up to temperature. We started off sauteing our onions, get ready to do my favorite smash burgers. Like I said, when the lid is open and we are plancha cooking, my tip is to close the bottom to make sure we don't get too hot. So saute these guys up right here. Let's show you how we smash a burger, right? Go ahead and put that on there like that. Move that to the side. Put that one right there. Move that to the side. Let those go for just a minute. I'll tell you, we'll give them a little seasoning right there. Little savory pecan. All right, little parchment paper. And we do the smash and hold so we can set that burger. Look at, oh yeah, that's delicious. Same thing over here. Okay, got them all flipped. I'm gonna hit the top side with a little bit of seasoning as well. Then, time to add the cheese. Just like that, done. It's like this plancha was made for smash burgers. And just like that, lunch is served off that amazing accessory. Now, if you're looking for another cool accessory, stay tuned because coming up, I've got my Big Green Egg carbon steel wok video. Definitely don't wanna miss that.